Good day everyone. Welcome to today's report on the Global Power City Index 2017 or GPCI 2017. This annual ranking conducted by the Mori Memorial Foundation's Institute for Urban Strategies in Tokyo measures how major cities perform as powerful global hubs. And this year, the spotlight shines on newly added cities, those joining the global ranking for the very first time. The Global Power City Index of 2017 evaluates cities based on six main functions: economy, research and development, cultural interaction, livability, environment, and accessibility. In 2017, several new cities were added to broaden global representation and reflect rapid urban growth. Among the notable newcomers were Budapest, representing Central Europe's emerging influence; Cape Town, highlighting Africa's growing role in global culture and tourism; Bogota, showing Latin Americans' increasing presence in research and creativity; Melbourne, joining from the Oceania as a model of livability and environment management. These cities entered the index for their rising economic competitiveness, improved global connectivity, and cultural dynamism. While Tokyo, London, and New York remained the top three cities overall in 2017. The addition of new cities diversified the global picture. For example, Melbourne performed exceptionally well in livability, ranking among the highest in lifestyle quality. Budapest gained recognition in cultural interaction, thanks to its historical heritage and creative industries. Meanwhile, Cape Town stood out in environment, reflecting its sustainability efforts and natural beauty. These new cities not only expanded the Global Power City Index geographic reach but also showcased the rise of secondary global cities, those influencing the world beyond traditional power centers. In summary, the Global Power City Index of 2017 highlights how new cities are redefining global influence, proving that innovation, culture, and sustainability can place any city on the world stage. As urban competition intensifies, the inclusion of these new cities remind us that global power isn't just about size. It's about how cities connect, inspire, and lead. I'm John Michael C. Santander reporting the Global Power City Index of 2017. Thank you for watching.